My life has been very beautiful. When I was little, I studied in the field and enjoyed nature, seeing animals of various kinds. I helped my parents with their daily tasks. In the afternoon, I played soccer with my brothers and cousins until 7 at night. I enjoyed that moment with them. My parents taught me to work science. I was little and science there I have learning to get money for my basic needs and continue studying. I'm very independent in the decisions I make and I can identify them if are good or bad. I have traveled a lot. I have many people. I have overcome many difficulties during during my life. I have made many mistakes and I have learning from them. I will continue with my life learning more and more every day. Thanks to teaching from home and what I have learning in school and university. They have helped me to be stronger mentally and not get carried away by the problems that have arisen.